Let's talk about skin prep before you do your makeup. Prepping and priming your skin before makeup is absolutely non-negotiable. I'll be discussing do's and don'ts of skin prep with you, what products to use, what to avoid, and what rules to follow before you do your makeup. The first rule of skin prep is keep it really simple. You don't need to use a lot of products. You just need to use enough products to keep your skin healthy and hydrated. The second rule for your skin prep is avoid using silicone based or oil based products for your skin prep. Try to use water based products only. They are lightweight and get absorbed in your skin easily. Now coming to step number 1, cleansing your skin. Whatever face wash you use it to clean your face, to get rid of excess oil, dirt, everything. Step number 2 is exfoliating. You don't need to exfoliate daily if you do makeup on a daily basis. Make it a routine to exfoliate at least 2 to 3 times a week. The third step, toning. I know a lot of people are used to using toner in their skincare routine, and it's fine, but before makeup you can avoid using toner unless you have open pores and your toner directly targets that. Step number 4, serum. I would suggest you use serum because it heals and protects, but make sure you use a serum which is water based and lightweight. Step number 5 is moisturizing. Make sure you use a moisturizer which is according to your skin type and doesn't make your skin too dry or too oily. While you are moisturizing your face, make sure you don't moisturize your eye area. Step number 6, which is an absolute non-negotiable step, is SPF. I would say if you don't have enough time to do skin prep and you just want to use one product, use an SPF. It will moisturize, it will protect, it will heal. Next step is going to be priming your skin. Now there are 3 types of primer. One is moisturizing primer for dry skin. Then there is mattifying primer for oily skin and open pore texture. And gripping primer which helps your makeup last longer than 6 hours. We forget 2 very important parts of our face while prepping our skin. One is under eye and the other is lips. Before you start your makeup, always apply an eye cream under your eyes to moisturize it, or take an eye patch, keep it in the fridge, let it cool and use that under your eyes. It will help hydrate your under eyes as well as reduce puffiness. And for your lips, never forget to apply a lip balm while you are doing skin prep. Before starting your face makeup, you need to remove these eye patches, and when you complete your face makeup and are about to do your eye makeup, take a soft cloth and just gently wipe off the excess. And same for the lips. Before going to apply your lipstick, take a small pad and gently swipe off all the lip balm that you applied. If you still have any question regarding skin prep, feel free to drop in the comment section below and I will try my best to solve it. Save this video for future reference and follow me for more.